What's going on, guys? We are doing another three-part series. Nathaniel had this idea. It seemed to get a lot of good feedback, so we're going to try it again. This time, it's going to be all about Preflight 2.0. We're going to kind of do a much deeper dive into our business. That's what Preflight is all about. We kind of broken our business down into three different phases. We do the research phase, which is this video. I have a bigger idea of kind of how to get that point across to you guys. Then the creative phase, which is kind of all on Nathaniel. And then the refinement phase, which is where we try to come back and try to refine our process and then help us with our conversion rates. The thing that I've noticed inside of this group and a lot of other places, I guess, is just people guessing and not really knowing what they're doing. We want to show you how to build a system so that you can test instead of just guessing. That'll probably be something that I start saying a lot more this year. Start testing more and start guessing less. When you're able to kind of build a system and work through the process, then it feels much more systematic so that you know, okay, I'm going to do this now, and then I'm going to see what the results are so that I can better understand what is actually happening. The refining process, which will be the last video, we'll be talking more about that, but we just want to show you guys inside Preflight, the first 3 weeks, I believe, is all about the research process, discovery research, keyword research, the understand the customer a little bit process so that you can start testing and seeing what's going to ultimately work for your business.
So if you guys are excited about that, if you want to know the research that we've put into this, how we built that 5-step test and how we've made that an important part of our system, definitely join us. But we're going to be talking more about this as this video series goes on. And the link to Preflight to be in the description of this video, whether it's above or below. And then in the next video, we're actually going to talk about the creative side of the business, which is all of what I do.